going on, guys? This is my very first day bringing the chicks outside, and I emptied the sandbox, and well, there's still a little bit of sand. We put these grass,
Oh, someone's
dirt.
out.
Oh, and we put a few sticks. Look, to a stick. I think you've seen that before. And try. Boom.
There you go. Hold tight. Bring him out. Bring her out.
Ew!
Nope.
How about Vic? Ew! They feel so weird.
All right, that's good. There we go.
2 at a time?
That's Sheeby.
Should we put 2 at a time?
Well, they'll follow. I'm pretty sure they'll follow each other. Let's let Sheeby out and then see if the others follow. I do not want Oliver down here, though. I hear him.
He's right there.
No, we're gonna watch them for a little bit. Look, back in.
Who?
There's either Dot or Vic. Let's see if they fly over top of the sandbox.
Hopefully not. Right?
They might.
But hopefully not, because it's a good thing they're going over there. That's nasty, Vic. What are you? Oh, okay. You're nice, Vic. No, don't go through there, please. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye!